on eBay for 90 bucks. Bro, you can't make me laugh, bro.
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison. Shit is deeper than an incision on the lower level. Word of the devil, I can feel the trouble inside, telling me what to do, I never abide. Feel the vibe, the second we ride, you know we know just how to do it. My style, they can never
So the number one question that everybody always asks me is about my roof rack. Pep Boy's roof rack that I got like 5-6 years ago. I spent, I think it was like $150 on the roof rack, and then these little surfer things were probably like 50 bucks. And then this is the front part, which a lot of people ask me about as well. It's called a roof rack fairing. The roof rack, I found the exact one. It goes for $270 right now at Walmart, and the fairing goes for like 100 bucks. So the next thing I did to the car was the rims. They are reps, so don't flame me. I don't got thousands of dollars to spend on actual real 3-piece rims, but that's besides the point. They're ESRs, RS01s. They're 17 inches. Fronts, the tire size is 205/40. And then the backs are 215/45. The rims cost me 900 bucks. I found it on the marketplace. They came with tires already, so I kind of got to deal with that. So the back tires I kept, the front ones I had to change so I can get lower to the floor, and probably spent like around the 200 mark on getting new front tires. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the A-Spec side skirt, back lip, and front lip. And this came with the car when I bought it, so that I really didn't spend money on. I just bought it with the car. But those, you know, it can retail for, you know, the front lip probably 85 bucks, the side skirt 130 to 170, and then the back is like 140 maybe. Another often asked question is my front splitter, or a lip, whatever you want to call it. So this front lip is from a WRX. I seen someone on YouTube do it before, and I thought it looked mad nice. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's not flush, but it still looks really nice. On eBay for 90 bucks. Bro, you can't make me laugh, bro. I got the front splitter for 90 bucks off eBay. Another hated on part about my car is the broken hearts. When I first got the car, it was just supposed to be like a seasonal thing. This side, the left side, for 40 bucks. And then I had my friend duplicate the same exact ones on the other side and for the Grom. It's probably like 20 bucks right there. I also got these little mirror shields, I guess they're called, off Amazon. And then I also got these tints. I think it's 20%. 20%. I didn't do the front because that's crazy. If you're driving with tints in the front, never mind. First case, just crop it. Just crop. So the next thing is the Honda Emblem. Someone hit me up on Instagram saying that he had an extra one, so I bought that from him for 90 bucks or 95. It was one of them. Top 5 favorite things about this car is the headlights. I got these headlights off eBay. All right, so these taillights are always an eye breaker. A lot of RSXs don't have clear taillights like this. I made them myself. I have a video actually on how to make them if you want to check back on my channel. Those cost me $150, and the supplies cost me probably like 30-40 bucks maybe. I also got these rain guards. I got them off eBay. The next part, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, is this Gurney Flap. It's called a password JDM Gurney Flap. This cost me $240. All right, so basically the hitch underneath cost me $140. Basically just 2 bolts, and it just screws on to the little flap tow hook in the back. Then you need an adapter, 1 1/4 to a 2 hitch adapter, which cost me 20 bucks. This thing right here cost me 80 bucks. Then I got a lock just for safety, which cost me about like 20 bucks. And then these straps you have to get as well, cost me about another like 20-30 bucks. The Grom I bought a few years ago for 1,800. I don't know, the handbrake is like 400 or 500. The wheelie bar in the back is another couple hundred. The rear set's another couple hundred. The headlight I actually got from a Instagram contest, and they shipped it out. That's probably the best thing on that Grom right now. So these emblems in the back that Acura always comes with this says RSX, has the logo, and then it says Acura. I plasti dipped them black. That cost me probably like, I don't know, 10 bucks just for the spray can. And these little flaps, those cost me about like 20, 30 bucks. So I also did these side skirts. These side skirts you won't find for a RSX. You have to search up a WRX STI. I bought them off my friend for I think 100 bucks, 90 bucks. I purchased the air suspension for 1800, and then I charged one of my boys like, I think it was 300, 400 bucks for that. So the reason I got stage 1 was it's less complicated. It's just paddles. It's literally just paddles. So there's no computer really like involved with it, less problems, but there's plus and minuses for kind of, you know, everything. So the other day it got too dark, so we're gonna finish up the interior right now. So in terms of the interior, it's very simple until I do the interior, which is in a few months. I have this steering wheel cover that it was a process to put on, but it looks very nice. I have these Takanawa, I think that's how you say it, racing 4-point seatbelts. I have this harness bar in the back that I got off of eBay. If you're wondering what this is just the gauge for the air suspension to know what PSI I'm on. I'll show you guys my trunk setup. It's not really all that, just because I haven't done my interior yet. But once I do my interior, it's gonna be insane. So, like I said, my trunk setup is not all that. This is just the chairs for like meats and stuff. I do have hardwood floors. I'm just too lazy to put them in. I have a cutout under there, you can see it. So basically like the hardwood floor goes around and then it's just like a window, but all that is getting changed once I do my trunk setup. There is a lot to come. So that's it, guys. That's the whole mod list of what I've done to my RSX. There's a lot more to come. I have a lot to do with the interior. I haven't even really touched it yet, besides the seat belts and the harness and stuff. But before the video ends, I'm going to give you guys little teasers of what I got coming next. So I also am gonna put my Xbox in the car. I'm gonna make a whole video on that. I also want to get a new motorcycle, but I just don't know what yet. I don't know if it's gonna be another Grom or maybe like a Supermoto or something on the lines of that. I'm not really 100% sure yet. I have a custom wrap coming. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I have a custom one-of-a-kind wrap coming that's never been done before. You guys should definitely subscribe so you can keep up to date with what I got coming next. If you're here still for this video, you're here still to the end of the video.
A few moments later.
If you're still here till the end of the video, make sure you guys comment 2004 RSX so I know you watched the whole entire video. Appreciate it and thank you, and catch you guys now. Appreciate you guys staying this long. I'll catch you guys in the next one.